Hey, did you know that Zika virus is spread from one mosquito to another and through human connection? But more than anything, it is spread through breast milk. So help me put that invisible protection around our little ones, and this is how we're going to do it.
Compare these two scans. On the left is a healthy infant's brain. On the right is the brain of an infant whose mother was infected with the Zika virus during her first trimester. In April, scientists confirmed the link between the Zika virus and a rare condition called microcephaly. The most visible sign of microcephaly is an abnormally small head. But Zika causes the most devastating harm inside, where it attacks a developing brain. The Zika virus invades brain cells, particularly a very important type of cell called neural progenitors, which form much of the brain's critical gray matter. Once inside these cells, the virus replicates until a cell is overwhelmed and bursts, allowing the virus to spread further into the brain. Not only does the virus keep portions of the brain from developing, it creates scars, called calcifications, that disrupt connections between parts of the brain. Because brain growth is stunted, there's not enough pressure from the tissue within the skull to push the skull outward to form a normal-shaped head.
Vai ficar comprometida, vai. Essas crianças nunca vai ter o cérebro normal.
Of course, they will never have a normal brain. They will be children with special needs. Approximately 80% will develop epilepsy and will have to be monitored closely by a specialty doctor.
In addition to epilepsy, babies born with Zika-related microcephaly can suffer a wide range of issues, including visual problems, hearing loss, and difficulties in swallowing, sitting, walking, and talking, as well as learning disabilities later.
The nation's top health officials warning that the Zika virus appears to be a lot scarier than first thought.
Florida now declaring a health emergency. At least 9 cases.
Now more than 30 cases detected here in the U.S.
Already 346 Zika cases are reported all over the country.
Everything we look at with this virus seems to be a bit scarier than we initially thought.
Bugging out now, so I brought out the new bracelets that I got. They are by Mosquito Spell. They're amazing. They're 100% safe, and they use 100% natural essential oils. The smell is lavender, eucalyptus, citronella, and peppermint. They smell so good, and whenever you're not using them, you just put them back in the bag and they last up to 10 days. And I will show you guys, they're adjustable, and you guys know, I've mentioned in the vlogs before how much Maverick gets bit. I don't know, for some reason, out of all of us, he gets bit constantly, and I do not like spraying any harsh chemicals on him. I have an all-natural like bug spray that does not seem to work on him, but these seem to do the trick, and they smell amazing. So I will show you guys them.
And the company is Self-Balance.
Self-Balance's mosquito repellent bracelets.
Self-Balance mosquito repellent bracelet.
I have these mosquito repellent bands.
My Mosquito Spell bracelets.
This is pH Balance mosquito repellent bracelets.
Mosquito repellent bracelets by Self-Balance.
Self-pH mosquito repellent bracelet.
The mosquito repellent bracelets.
Protected, and I'm wearing the band.
We feel protected together.
I feel safe. I feel protected.
I am wearing the band.
I'm wearing the band.
I am the band.